What's up, you guys? I have a great one for you today. I'm going to chew through more scraps than Porky Pig at Domino's for this project. We're talking mixed media, pure fun, pure chaos. Let's go. Now I'm grabbing some old drawing paper and stuff that already has paint on it, tearing it up, making a few shapes, nothing too planned. Once I've got a few pieces, I'll glue them down and just let it fall where it falls. And this is all on top of a reject painting. So instead of trying to fix it, I'm just covering it up. Most people throw this stuff away, but honestly, this is where a lot of good ideas start. Now that the paper is in place, I can start building into it. Basically, negative space painting around the cups. And I'm keeping it loose here, just moving quick, not trying to control it too much. This part is really just about letting it go a little bit. We can always pull it back a little later. I'll change up the shapes a little. Some cups have handles, some without. They don't all need to be the same. That's kind of the point. And remember, this is all scraps and reject. What was once sitting in a drawer is now doing some work. Now I'll come in with a liner brush. Just hit a few edges. Not everything, just enough to pull it together. If you do too much here, it kind of kills it. So I'm keeping it minimal. And that's it. Scraps, a little paint, and letting it come together. This started as something that wasn't working, and now it's done. I guess you could say, that's all, folks.